How to toggle off show contact photo on iOS 26 on your iPhone device. Go ahead and tap on the settings icon. Scroll up a bit guys, tap on general, tap on software update to be sure that you have the latest version of iOS on your device. Now that I've done that, tap back from this place, then scroll up to the base of this page. Under settings, tap on apps. Now from the list of apps you have here, scroll up until you have access to app message on your device, or come to this search button, type in message to easily access the message app on the list of apps you have on your device. Now scroll up a bit guys until you get to this page that says show contacts photos. Tap on it guys to toggle it on. That's all guys. If you've been able to toggle off show contacts photo on iOS 26 on your iPhone. If you get this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.